In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 230 by 5 using the long division method. See that 2 is less than 5. That is why we will consider the two digits. That is the number 23. We know that 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract, we get 3. Now this 3 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. Now 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, the value of 230 divided by 5 is equal to 46. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.